Good morning, my followers. I hope the mercy of God is with you. I am happy to report that my account is back. Some months ago, when my account started growing, you people started following me. Among those followers, I had those that we serve the church together, and some are members of the church or congregation that didn't see it well. They, however, reported me to the management of the parish that I'm posting church of the video on a platform that posts bad things. I quote Msinya's word, what he told me some months back when they are just. I post church clips on a platform that posts bad things. Towards Palm Sunday, I met Msinya and I told him, TikTok is like any other channel, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Your account, what you post matters. There are those who post those things. There are those who post gospel music. There are those who post counseling. There are those who post ethics of different, you get me? And my account was specifically to post Catholic music. People enjoyed it. And especially the close to the message that I'm giving. When you started following me, these people reported me. And there are people who are following live masses that are not here in Uganda, and they were able to follow me via that. Msinya said, I will tell them that you post mass for the people who can't access mass. That one was not enough for them. They had to write to the management from TikTok. I recently received an account ban, an account warning, and my videos have been distorted here and there. Some have been removed. Those that I appealed have been brought back. Until yesterday, but one that my account was banned. I had to file an appeal that have been answered today. Guys, let's serve the church, not serve our interest. You can win the earth, you will not win the heaven. You had won on earth. I pray you will win even in heaven. Thank you.